A gorgeous day today, but it does kick off Ohio's Severe Weather Preparedness Week. We're going to get right back to meteorologist Liz McGiffin with why having a plan now is so important.
Well, Jamie, it may seem early to start thinking ahead to what your plan of action will be if we have flooding like what you just saw in that video, if there are severe storms, or even if there's a tornado. But it's actually days like today where there is nothing happening out on the live Viper radar that it's best to actually go over that plan. And a big part of being prepared involves going over things like the difference between a watch and a warning. Now, watches, they can last several hours. They're often issued hours before an event and can take over a large area, including in some cases the majority of a state. A warning, on the other hand, that is your time to stop making a plan and instead take cover. During that time, it'll be a much smaller area that we're talking about and a very specific time frame, usually only lasting 20 minutes to 1 hour. And when we're talking about the preparation for severe weather, that can include anything from severe thunderstorms all the way toward tornadoes. Remember, again, when you have a watch for those severe storms or tornado watches, that means review that plan, and as soon as that warning is issued, take action. Now, the best place to take action if you do find yourself under a warning, especially if it's linked to a severe thunderstorm or a tornado, is going to be to get inside as quickly as possible. And it's also important to make sure that you have a plan to go somewhere else if you live in a manufactured or mobile home. Instead, you want to move to a more safe area, and that oftentimes means moving inside your house to the most interior room. The idea with this is to provide as much space as you can between yourself and the outside. In that case, really the safest place that you can go is down to the lowest level of your home, which could include a basement or even a tornado shelter. And while you are in that safe place, make sure that you have a way to constantly get weather updates. And an easy way to do that can be by downloading the NBC4 mobile weather app. And that's something that we're going to want to have on hand the next couple of months as we move through the springtime. And of course, keep an eye out for severe storms.